Statement 33. Have real friends. Do not surround yourself with yes men and enablers. Surround yourself with people who know or share your goals and keep you on your toes when it comes to accomplishing them. Have friends that you can lean on for support from time to time. Friends that understand you need to be vulnerable sometimes and aren't going to judge you for it. Have friends that are willing to give real, honest advice when you ask for it, but aren't always trying to tell you what to do. It's crucial to have a group of genuine people around you. People that don't judge you for what you do or do not have. People that don't expect anything from you but mutual support. In this age of likes and follows and internet attention, we have to remember not every online buddy is actually a good source of support or advice. The internet allows incredible opportunities for connection, which is amazing. But always be aware. Even in real life, it's important to see some people are not looking out for your best interest. To have real friends, you have to be a real friend. Be honest. Be open. Be helpful. If you find you can't do that for someone, then you are not friends. Make them an associate and keep it moving.